Hi, this is Kelly from Basa Technology, mainly responsible for monocore PCB. It's one layer copper core PCB. Copper thickness is 2 ounces, but which has a great heat dissipation. The dielectric layer is 5 watts. The higher the thermal conductivity, the better the heat dissipation. For now, the highest thermal conductivity we can provide is 8 watts. Meanwhile, you can see there are 2 plug insulation holes. The main purpose of the insulation holes is to achieve electrical isolation. When there are parts of the circuit that need to be isolated, isolation holes can create electric disconnect point on the metal substrate, preventing current flow between different sections and avoiding short circuit or other electrical issues. Furthermore, for monocore PCB, we can do 1 layer, 2 layers, double layers, 4 layers, even more. What's more, we can provide a one-stop solution from designer, manufacturer, BOM purchase to SMT assembly with faster delivery.